So, is it really possible to earn an extra source of income with a laptop and an internet connection? I would say yes, but I do need to let you guys know that it's not going to come easy. Things are not going to happen overnight. You're not going to be able to watch a video like this and things are going to fall into place. The purpose for this video is just to give you the information and the education that I wish I had when I first got started. So I thought, you know what, in today's video, I'm going to give you 6 of the different ways that I've personally used when it comes to some of the simplistic methods that are out there. So again, treat this video as a form of education, but I'm sure if you're able to stick with it from start to finish, you're going to have an understanding of what you could potentially do when it comes to putting yourself on the path of being able to earn an extra source of income. But let's not waste any more time. Let me jump straight into one of the first ones, which is going to be with organic dropshipping. Now, dropshipping, generally speaking, is somewhat of a simplistic way of being able to earn money, because all it comes down to is finding a product that's selling well, from there putting that product in front of someone that wants to buy that product. And once a sale has been made, it's going to be the dropshipping supplier's responsibility to make sure that the product has arrived safely to the customer. But when it comes to the world of dropshipping, there's 2 different ways that you can do it. You can either do it when it comes to paying for advertising, which is definitely a great way to go. But with this way, you're going to have to understand how to set up an ad campaign. You're also going to have to know how to optimize the ads as well. And of course, you're going to have some sort of a budget when it comes to running the ads on a daily consistent basis. However, on the other hand, what you can do is organic dropshipping, where you don't need to pay much when it comes to being able to potentially get traffic onto your site. There's certain methods that you can use when it comes to paying next to no money, but being able to get your ideal customer to be aware of the products that you're selling. And even when it comes to being able to get a dropshipping store set up, in this day and age, that's not even difficult to do as well, because there's these different AI store builders that's available to anyone to use. It's going to fully design your store around your chosen niche. And it's also going to allow you to use Shopify for 3 months. And with that, you're only going to have to pay $1. These are the tools that I wish I had when I first got started with this business model 7-8 years ago now, because it would have made it just that more simpler. And when it comes to using this AI store builder, you don't even need to list winning products onto it, because it's going to do that automatically. So basically, when it comes to getting started with this business model, it's not difficult. Now, when it comes to the organic traffic side of things, again, there's 2 different ways that you can do it. You can either do it through written content, or you can do it through video content. The good thing about Shopify is that in the back end of your account, you're going to notice a section that says content, and you're also going to notice that you can post blog articles on your site for these different articles to get ranked in Google. By publishing articles, I would say 1,000 words to around 1,500 words every single day, surrounding whatever niche your store is centered around. This is definitely one of the most effective ways of being able to publish organic content for you to be able to get people onto your site. And moving on to the video side of things, this is also a great way as well. By posting videos that educate people about whatever your niche is, if you're consistent when it comes to publishing these different educational short form videos, from there you can now send the viewers to your blog articles, and of course within the blog articles you can now promote whatever products that you're selling. So those are my reasons why I believe that organic dropshipping is one of these simple ways of being able to earn an extra source of income. In addition to all of that, now when it comes to shipping out your products, the tool that you can use when it comes to handling this, if you're someone that's working a full-time job, part-time job, is AutoDS. AutoDS is connected to around 20 different suppliers all around the world. So if you wanted to list a product onto your store, if you wanted to do it in a way where you can bulk list a whole bunch of products all at the same time, AutoDS is the tool that you want to use. And you can also use it when it comes to shipping out your products as well. The reason why I personally like using AutoDS is because when it comes to automating various different parts of this business, it just takes care of so much and just takes a lot of things off my plate. So again, it is very important for you to remember that nothing's going to come easy. You're not going to be able to just set this business up, start making money straight away. But by integrating all of these different tools together, using the AI store builder, also using AutoDS when it comes to automating all of the manual things that goes into this business, that's where it's going to be a little bit more easier for you to manage. But swiftly moving on to one of the second ways of being able to earn an extra income source, which is going to be with AI blogging. So similar to what I just said now in regards to setting up a Shopify dropshipping store and posting blog articles on it for you to sell physical products, what you can also do is set up an AI built blog website with the sole intention of you building up traffic so that you can monetize in a number of different ways. To give you a practical example of what I'm talking about, if I wanted to build a brand new blog website today, the platform that I would use, or the hosting company that I would use, is Hostinger. And the reason for that is because there's so many different features, so many different benefits. You're going to be able to get massive discounts. But in addition to that, being able to get a blog website built super quick is fairly easy because all you got to do is just enter the brand name for the blog website and a short description. Hostinger gives you the basic structure of the website where now you can go into it, drag and drop various different things, change images around, create a logo if you want to do that, complete flexibility when it comes to getting your blog website up and running. But in addition to that, Hostinger has an inbuilt AI blog writer, which means that if you want to write an article using the AI writer, all you need to do is just insert some information about what the topic is going to be. And then from there, Hostinger is going to be able to take care of the rest. So even though, yes, everything I just showed you now can be considered a simple way of putting yourself in a position of being able to earn that extra income, the work is now going to come when it comes to understanding different ways that you can monetize. For example, one of the ways that a lot of people initially think of when it comes to building a blog website is going to be with things like AdSense or some sort of third-party advertising. This is definitely great, but you need to understand that there's going to be a threshold when it comes to the daily visitors, the amount of traffic that your site is getting. So what this means is that you're going to have to work when it comes to getting your blog website monetized. So that's one route that you can take. Another route is going to be with something called affiliate marketing. This is where you're going to sign up to some sort of an affiliate partnership website, marketplace. We've got impact.com. You can also go into ClickBank. You can go directly onto any company's website. Well, the majority of companies out there have some sort of an affiliate program. So this is definitely a great way for you to be able to monetize your blog website from the early days. But another way that you can monetize your blog is going to be by selling digital products. And this actually now brings me on to one of the third simple ways of being able to earn a source of income online, which is going to be with selling some sort of digital product on the internet, either on your own website, or you can sell it on platforms like Teachable. So I'm currently selling digital products in a number of different ways on the internet right now as we speak. And the reason why I like them is for so many different reasons, but one of the main reasons is that if you're able to build the right digital product that people are searching for, the main thing that you need to do is put effort into building that digital product, which could take weeks, it could take a month, it could take longer than that, depending on what type of digital product you're looking to build. But from there, all you got to do is make sure that you're positioning that digital product again in front of someone that's searching for it. So yes, you can definitely sell a digital product on your own website using platforms like Shopify, even Hostinger, but the best type of digital product to sell is one that's going to provide some sort of education. And it doesn't need to be education on a lot of the obvious things that you're probably thinking. It could be education surrounding something that's unique, something that you don't think other people are searching for. But if you double check it on Google Trends, you're going to see that hundreds of people are searching for information about that every single day. And one of the platforms that I use when it comes to selling my educational digital products is Teachable. And the main reason for this is that Teachable has a section in the back end that allows you to insert the metadata, the keywords, the SEO, for you to have an opportunity of being ranked in the Google search results. So you are going to have to put effort into building your digital product. You're going to have to make sure that it's perfect. You're going to have to make sure that the end user is going to be completely happy. But once you've put the time into it, from there, you just need to make sure that you list it in the right way, using the right branding for you to give yourself that chance of that extra income. But changing gears slightly and moving on to one of the next simple ways of being able to earn an extra source of income, which is going to be by building and selling AI agents. Now, this is a very interesting concept because for those of you that's not really sure of what an AI agent is, think about it like this. There's different companies out there that have freelancers doing specific jobs, and they're probably paying that freelancer, let's say $1,000 every month. But imagine being able to build an AI agent for them that essentially replaces that freelancer so that they can save all that money. The good thing I found with AI agents is that if you're able to build it in the right way, you set it up in the right way, it's going to be able to work for you even more efficiently than a lot of freelancers. So with this particular method, you are going to need to learn how to build an AI agent, which may or may not be simple depending on which type you're trying to build. The platform that I use to build my AI agents that I use is Makecom. If I just log into the back end of my account, this is one of the AI agents that I use when it comes to automating blog articles being published onto a Shopify store. So once you're able to understand the concept of what goes into this, you're going to be able to package it and offer it as a service to various different Shopify store owners. And as you know, Shopify is one of the most popular platforms that exist right now. So there's potential customers that you're going to be able to reach out to all day, every single day. And this method could get a little bit technical. So if you wanted me to make a detailed video showing you, number one, how to find potential Shopify store owners, and then number two, how you can build an AI agent for them, just put in the comments down below, do the AI agent work from home job video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But moving on to the next simple way of earning an income from your house, which is going to be by posting short form content. So I briefly touched on this in this video already, but posting short form content in this day and age that we're in right now is one of the best moves that you can make. It's something that I've gone heavy on throughout this whole year, but I'm going to take it to the next level, build up multiple different accounts and automate the entire process. Because short form content is so popular right now, there's so many different ways to capitalize from it when it comes to various different niches, various different trends, and various different opportunities. And with the help of artificial intelligence, being able to produce these different short form videos shouldn't really take too much work. You know, there's tools like InVideo AI that isn't only going to produce and make the video, but it's also going to generate an AI voiceover as well.
The budget tracker spreadsheet.
The one thing that tends to hold a lot of people back is that they don't want to use their face or use their own voice. But with tools like this, you're going to be able to essentially get short form videos made with a few clicks of a button by understanding the right prompts to enter and knowing how to edit it so that it's specific to the brand that you're looking to build up. But moving on to the sixth final way that I'm going to talk about in this video when it comes to some simple methods that are out there to earn an extra source of income, which is going to be by sending out emails. Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, Sam, how exactly is sending out emails going to help me when it comes to earning money? Well, the thing is, when it comes to building up some sort of a newsletter, this puts you in a great opportunity to be able to contact people at any time of the day. One thing that I'm super grateful for is the knowledge that I've had when it comes to the importance of building up newsletters, because this is something that I've been doing now for the past few years. I've got various different newsletters in a couple different niches, and because of that, once again, I'm able to target a specific person that I know that they're interested in a particular topic, whether it's a particular product, niche, whatever it is. They've given me their email, and because of that, I now know what products to recommend to them. You probably didn't even notice, but there's so many different websites out there that you're going onto on a daily basis where when you go onto it, there's going to be a pop-up that appears that's going to ask you for your email, and they may offer you some sort of 10% discount in exchange for your email. But the reason why they're even giving you this opportunity to make this 10% is because they know how valuable your email is. And the main reason why I've put email marketing as one of the opportunities in today's video is mainly due to the fact that emails can be automated far into the future. I've got an email list with OmniSend where I've got X amount of subscribers on it. And because of that, I'm able to send emails out a month from now, 2 months from now. So I put the work in today, but emails are going to be sent out promoting various different products, even up until the end of the year. So it really comes down to making sure that you're using the right email marketing software. The one that I use again is OmniSend, and it's due to the fact that it's got so many different features when it comes to being able to do all of this stuff effectively. But this video has already gone on a bit too long, so what I'm going to do is leave another video right there where in that one, I'm going to explain step by step how you can get started with building up an email newsletter from scratch, how you can integrate AI tools like ChatGPT to help you, and of course, everything you need to know when it comes to being able to monetize from your email newsletter so that you can earn that additional stream of income. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, you've got any value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And be sure to check the resources down below for any information regarding all of the topics that we've discussed today. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.